Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's makeup look is obviously inspired. Toy Story is one of my favourite films of all time. All of them as well. I love every single one of them. So the new one coming out, I'm so excited to go and see. If you would like to see how I created this Jessie makeup tutorial, then please keep watching. Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's look, I'm doing a Jessie from a Toy Story inspired look. This is also inspired by the Bratz trend that went around last year. I didn't actually do a Bratz style makeup. Instead, I did these Toy Story style makeup. So as you can see, I already had my foundation and base down and I glued my eyebrows down. With a white face paint, I started to draw the eyes and then fill in the white section of the eyes. I then got a green face paint and painted the green section of the eyes. Then with the black face paint, I outlined the outside of the eye. Then with an eyeliner, I create a black winged eyeliner. I made this really huge because obviously the eyes are a lot bigger than my natural eyes. Then with the brown eyeshadow, I started to create a new crease to the eye because as the eye is a lot bigger and in a different space to where my actual eye is, I needed to create a new eyelid and a crease. I use a darker brown as well to really make sure that it is fully contoured. Once I've done that on both brows, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Medium Brown and start to draw on new eyebrows. I'm happy to say I am a lot better at covering my natural eyebrows now than I was when I filmed this video because it does look a little bit lumpy and the shadow really does cling to it. But if you're struggling just like I was, just remember keep practicing and you will definitely get better. So with that brown eyeshadow, I then start to contour my nose and then I fill in the pupils with a black face paint. To create some texture in the green section of the eye, I use the Snazaroo lime green face paint and start to paint some little lines. With the black face paint, I then outline the coloured section of the eye and then I also add some eyelashes to the bottom lash line. I added some really bright blush to my cheeks and I used a pink eyeshadow for this. For my lips, I used the MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Lady Be Good and the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Milkshake. I coated my lashes with some mascara. And then my false lashes are by Scouse Lashes and they're in the style Anfield Road. So this is the final look. I put on this white shirt. Unfortunately, I don't have like a full costume of hers because she does have a bit of yellow on her shirt, but this is all I have, so we're gonna make do. I obviously have a Jessie hat. I did manage to get one of them, and I just got this ginger long wig that I had and just put it into a plait to the side. Let me know what you think of this makeup look in the comments down below. If you do like it, make sure to press the like button. Also subscribe to me here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!